Welcome back. Still tuned into Power Breakfast on CNBC TV18. It's time to talk about some important earnings now. IndusInd Bank reported a strong set of first quarter earnings. Abhishek is joining us with the earnings fine print.
Well, it's an absolute serene result from IndusInd Bank, given the fact that the balance sheet risk is at the lowest that you are seeing in last 7 years or 28 quarters or even more, despite the fact that loan growth has been pretty strong in the unsecured or high-yielding portfolio. So what has been good in the results over the last few quarters is that for continuous 10 quarters in a row, YOY and quarter-on-quarter, you are seeing growth in operating profits. The net interest margin on a quarterly basis is at 8-year high, of about 4.28%. Now, RWA, that is risk-weight asset to advances ratio, that's come down to 110, 111% from 125, 130% that they had few years back. Annualized slippage ratio of about 1.9% is perhaps the lowest in last 11 quarters and second lowest in last 16 quarters. Asset quality, gross NPA ratio and net NPA ratio at 1.94% and 0.58% are perhaps the lowest that you are seeing in last 10 quarters. Now, what's not been good in Q1 FY24 results, the CASA ratio, but that's an industry level. The CASA ratio is declining. So CASA ratio is the lowest in last 24 quarters, dipping in below 40% level. Cost to income ratio or operational efficiency, that's deteriorated a bit, and that ratio is at 22 quarter high of 45.9% when compared to 44.9% in the previous quarter. In terms of PNL versus ARPOL, the NII has come in at 4,867 crores. We were working with a number of 4,822 crores. And PAT has come in at 2,124 crore. We are working with a number of 2,127 crores. It's as close as that. Back to you.
Okay, all right. So that's about IndusInd Bank, an important stock that we'll be watching out for today.